It's my first time using my ring light, even though I've had it for a while. And I thought I'm going to start documenting gray hair and makeup for women like us who are in our 60s. Go back a little bit. Application gets to be a little different because our skins begin to sag a bit. The eyelids feel a little crepey, and so we have to be extra careful. But today I decided to look up on Pinterest, how it is to put makeup on Asian eyes or those with hooded lids. And I did a really bad job because I think, first of all, it's too dark, but I had fun doing it. So this is my first experiment. I don't have much of eye real estate, so I have to draw things, but I used a pencil liner, Sephora, and I think all my makeup are either Urban Decay, I don't even know, Urban Decay or Sephora. Lipstick I know is Sephora. And my foundation it's actually a tinted moisturizer. It's Dr. Perricone. I've used it for a few years. And I know I put a bronzer. I don't even know the brand. It's the same brand that my daughter uses, which she likes. It smells like chocolate, actually. And mascara, Dr. Perricone. And that's all I can tell you right now. I have to pay more attention to my makeup. Anyway, so this is the look. Let's see, little drama. I can't help it. It's just fun putting makeup.